If you want to draw some cute faces, then this view is it, hopefully. In this vid I'm gonna show you the steps I go over to draw faces. Though keep in mind you can customize and add or remove steps to fit your art style. Well, let's just do it. So after you have your sketch done, pick a skin color. I usually pick a color around here. Though you can pick any color you like, then fill it in. Now for the blush part, you can pick the same color as the skin. I put it on the cheeks and a little on the chin and nose, then blend. Start coloring the eyes. I use white for the sclera, but never 100% white in. For this other part, I usually pick a hue between purple and the skin colored. Then I make it darker and a little less saturated. For the iris, first I paint in the area the same color as the eyelash. Then you pick a color that matches to color the iris. I usually get the color that just pops and stands out. You may keep trying with different colors. Here, I thought the eyelash was too light, so I went over it again with a darker tone. Also try to blend the edges and corners of the eyes so it's smoother. I also add this triangle thing at the top of the iris. It makes it look better. Then I get a color that stands out against the iris to fill the triangle, usually in the opposite side of the color wheel. Now I'm drawing a shadow in the sclera from the eyelash, using the color of the sclera with a taint of purple since the shadow isn't harsh. Well, those were the main steps I take for the eyes. The rest is just kinda to put other colors down and darken some areas to make it look more interesting. I'm not sure how to explain it. And blend some areas to so it looks smoother. If you are not sure how to shape your eye, there is a lot of good inspo in Pinterest. Here are some shapes. Like I'm doing here, you can add some shapes or gradients in the eye to make it prettier. Don't forget to blend a little. Here, I'm applying a darker tone as a shadow. Here I'm making the lanyard, using a color similar to the eyelash. I thought the blush was too light, so I put more. If smudge tool didn't exist, this would look so trash you. Blending in. Here, I'm making sort of eye bags under the eye, the same color as for blush but a little darker. You can add some lashes on the eyelash or under the eye like I'm doing here. Putting some more blush. I don't really draw eye and nose. I usually add some highlight over it like this. All layers are in normal mode, by the way. Putting a blush around highlights help with contrast. The mouth is a similar color to the lanyard and eyelash. It's not even the face, but let's color the neck as well. Since it's a harsher shadow, it will be more purplish or bluish and darker. I put a lighter tint in the inner shadow as a bounce light, reflected. I forgot in the video, but I add a little bit of highlight to the cheeks too. For the highlights of the eye, shape it out with a very dark color, then I fill with almost full whiting. And then I just put it in random places I think it looks good. Well, that was it. I hope you guys liked the video and learned something from it. If you didn't like it, then why did you watch all of it? I also made this little scheme here if you want to take a look. This is basically sunlight hitting your blood cells, which makes that red tint. It's like a transition to the shadow. I also have an Instagram if you're interested. That's actually it now. Bye.
You